What if improving your life didn't require massive effort, no extreme discipline, and no complete life overhaul? What if the secret was simply tiny habits repeated every day? Imagine a tiny domino standing next to a much larger one. When the first domino falls, it knocks down the next, and the next, and the next. Eventually, a tiny domino can knock over something thousands of times its size. Habits work the same way. Small actions, repeated consistently, can create extraordinary results. And the surprising part is, it works even if you've struggled to stay consistent before. And today we're going to explore 8 powerful lessons from atomic habits that can completely change the way you think about success. So stay with me until the end, because the final lesson explains why most people fail to build habits, even when they try really hard. And the first idea may look simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Let's begin. The first idea is surprisingly simple. Tiny improvements may feel insignificant today, but they can completely transform your life over time. Think about the domino again. A domino that is just slightly larger than the previous one can eventually knock down something thousands of times its size. In the same way, small habits may seem insignificant today, but when repeated consistently, they create powerful change over time. James Clear calls this the power of atomic habits, tiny habits that compound into remarkable results. Most people underestimate the power of small improvements, but habits work like compound interest. If you improve just 1% every day, those tiny gains add up to massive results over time. But here's why most people never experience this, and this is where things start to break down. One famous example comes from the British cycling team. For years, they were considered average competitors. Then they focused on tiny improvements in everything: equipment, training, sleep, and recovery. This strategy was called marginal gains. Instead of making one big change, they made hundreds of small ones. Within just a few years, the team went from average performance to dominating the Olympics. The lesson is simple. Small improvements repeated consistently can create extraordinary success. But here's the surprising part. Most people try to change their habits by focusing on goals, but Atomic Habits teaches that the real key to lasting change is something much deeper: identity. Most people focus on goals, but goals alone rarely change behavior. The real secret is identity. Instead of saying, "I want to run," say, "I am a runner." Instead of saying, "I want to read more," say, "I am a reader." Every action you take is a vote for the person you are becoming. Small habits reinforce your identity, and over time your identity begins to shape your future. But here's something fascinating. Habits don't just appear randomly. Your brain is constantly looking for ways to save energy. So when you repeat an action often enough, your brain turns it into an automatic pattern. And over time, that pattern becomes a habit. Scientists have discovered that nearly every habit follows the same 4-step process. This process is called the habit loop. And once you understand this loop, you can take control of your habits. Every habit follows a simple 4-step cycle. Cue, craving, response, reward. Let's look at a simple example. You see cookies on the table, that's the cue. You suddenly want something sweet, that's the craving. So you eat the cookie, that's the response. The taste and sugar rush become the reward. Over time, your brain remembers this pattern, and the behavior becomes automatic. Understanding this loop allows you to design better habits. Make good habits obvious and satisfying, and make bad habits difficult and unattractive. Because the hardest part of any habit is simply getting started. Once you start, momentum begins to build. Many people fail because they try to change too much, too quickly. Instead, start with something incredibly simple. The 2-minute rule. When starting a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to begin. Want to read every day? Start with 1 page. Want to exercise? Start by putting on your running shoes. Want to meditate? Start with 2 minutes of quiet breathing. The goal isn't intensity, the goal is consistency. And once the habit becomes part of your routine, you can gradually build from there. But before we continue, there's one idea later in this video that most people completely overlook, but it changes everything. It explains why some habits stick for life while others disappear after just a few days. So make sure you stay with me until the end. Now let's look at something that influences your habits even more than motivation: your environment. Your environment shapes your behavior far more than motivation ever will. Instead of relying on willpower, design your surroundings for success. Want to read more? Place a book on your pillow. Want to drink more water? Keep a water bottle on your desk. Want to eat healthier? Remove junk food from your home. A well-designed environment makes good habits easier and bad habits harder. And once your environment begins to support your habits, something interesting happens. The habit becomes easier. You repeat it more often, and gradually it becomes part of your daily routine. So if habits become easier, why do people still quit? Not because they fail, but because of something unexpected. Boredom. That's where the next principle becomes important. It's called the Goldilocks Rule. The Goldilocks Rule explains how to stay motivated. We perform best when tasks are just slightly beyond our current ability. Not too easy, not too difficult, just challenging enough to keep us engaged. This is when we enter a state of flow, where everything starts to feel effortless, where time disappears, and progress happens naturally. Pattern interrupt. And this leads to one of the most powerful ideas from Atomic Habits. And this is where everything changes. James Clear writes, "You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems." Take a moment to think about that. Success is rarely about one big decision. It's about the systems we repeat every day. Now let's look at one simple system that can dramatically improve consistency. Habit tracking is one of the simplest ways to stay consistent. One stockbroker used a simple strategy. He placed 120 paper clips in a jar. After each sales call, he moved one paper clip to another jar. This simple visual system helped him stay focused and dramatically improve his performance. Eventually, he became one of the top performers in his company. And the reason this works is simple. Your brain loves visible progress. Tracking habits makes progress visible, and visible progress keeps you motivated. But all the ideas we've discussed so far, tiny improvements, identity, environment, and tracking, all lead to one powerful conclusion. Because the real secret to lasting success isn't just motivation, it isn't willpower, and it isn't even goals. It's something much deeper: systems. Many people focus only on goals. Goals are about the results you want. Systems are about the process that gets you there. And the process is what actually changes your life. Goals alone do not create success. Systems are what create lasting success. And this is what most people miss. For example, the goal might be to get fit, but the system is exercising every day. The goal might be to write a book, but the system is writing consistently. As James Clear explains, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Real transformation rarely happens in a single moment. It happens through small actions repeated every day, tiny improvements, consistent effort, and systems that quietly guide your behavior in the right direction. And once you understand this, success stops feeling random. And this is why small habits can create extraordinary results. So don't wait for motivation. Start small. Choose one habit. Improve just 1% today. Because tiny habits today can create extraordinary results tomorrow. Just like a row of dominoes, one small action can start a chain reaction that transforms your life. And the best part, you can start today. Now I'm curious, if you could improve just one habit in your life right now, what would it be? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to elevate and explore for more ideas on personal growth and transformation.